Hello friends, today we are talking about the stress of clutter. More clutter you have equals more stress. More clutter equals more stress. So the more clutter you have, the more stress you have in your life. Do you like that? Do you like having stress? I'm being facetious. Of course you don't like having stress. So if you want to get rid of some stress, get rid of some clutter. I'm going to challenge you to get rid of 5 things today, and tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, until things are gone. Now, you can get rid of more than 5 things, but I would say a minimum of 5 things if you've got a lot of clutter. Every day you'll be relieving a little bit of stress. It's like taking a little bit of steam off the Instant Pot every single day. So today, when you declutter, remember, if it's not something you love, need, use, or it's seasonal, like decorative, then it needs to be given away if it's in good shape, or thrown away if it's in bad shape. That's it for today. Make it a great day.